Hey fellow adventurers, Jeremy here from Everything RVs and More. If you love RV living, outdoor adventures, and unique gear to match your lifestyle, this one's for you. Today I'm diving into how I use Printify to power custom products for my store, Everything RVs and More. Stick around to see how you can get in on the action. So what's Printify? Simply put, it's a print-on-demand platform that lets you design and sell custom products without ever needing to handle inventory or shipping. They connect you with printing companies worldwide to turn your ideas into reality. Whether it's t-shirts, coffee mugs, or even tote bags, Printify handles the heavy lifting while you focus on creativity. And let's be real. Who doesn't love creative freedom without the hassle of stocking your garage full with boxes of products? Here's the cool part. Printify powers the custom products in my store, Everything RVs and More. Let me show you a few favorites. This t-shirt here, with witty RV slogans, is some of our top sellers. Whether you're at the campsite or hitting the open road, it's a conversation starter, designed by me and printed flawlessly by Printify. How about this camping-themed mug, perfect for your morning coffee, which is also on our store. Have it a little sip by the campfire. Again, Printify ensures quality and durability. The best part, I don't have to worry about shipping logistics or keeping stock. Printify has that covered too. I've tested some of these products myself. They're built for adventurers like you and me. Now, if you're a creator or an entrepreneur thinking, how do I get started? Well, it's easier than you think. Step 1. Sign up for free on Printify's website. Step 2. Pick a product to customize. They've got hundreds to choose from. Step 3. Upload your design. Don't worry if you're not a pro. Tools like Canva make it a breeze to create designs. Step 4. Connect to your store or marketplace, like Shopify or Etsy, and hit Publish. Here's a pro tip. Start with designs that tap into your niche. For example, I focused on RV enthusiasts with adventure quotes and quirky camping humor. It's all about knowing your audience. So what's next? If you're looking for unique RV-inspired products, check out my store, everythingrvsandmore.store. The link is also below. And if you're a creator ready to start your own print-on-demand journey, give Printify a shot. Trust me, it's a game changer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips, products, and adventures. Click on the links in the description. Catch you on the road.